What's good, John? I just want to tap in with y'all. Get y'all some little POV shit, you feel me? I ain't get y'all motherfucking just a simple, calm POV of just me talking and just me kind of dragging a little bit, you feel me? We back on my consistent shit for real. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You feel me? Like, we back on my consistent levels. You know what I'm saying? How many miles I got? Damn, this motherfucker toting, man.
Damn.
There's toting, no cap. I don't even know how the hell I look because I'm on my iPhone. I probably look sexy as shit, as always, for real. But yeah, I'm just about to, you feel me? Drive around a little bit, I guess. I'm not even in my area, so I'm gonna try to be careful for the feds and whatnot, for the boys, because I'm in Mexico for real. But yeah, you know it. No cap. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. This light taking forever. I'm really not trying to clip this video too much for real, so I'm just gonna try to talk my way out. No cap. There we go. That light going. There we go. Cause I really feel like y'all really don't even care about me talking for real. Y'all just want to see my car. I do got an exhaust leak, and I did order some copper exhaust manifold. Exhaust gaskets and some thick metal ones for my wide pipe. Go out of that manual mode. Yeah, I'll probably hear that leak just now, but yeah, y'all, we back at another light, so that means I gotta entertain y'all again. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This light was a little short, but like, comment, share, subscribe. Get into it, tap into it. You feel me? Fuck was that on the other side? That shit was ass. But yeah, man. Let me know what y'all want to see. Ooh, that beamer kind of hard with the blue lights. Okay, shorty. Well, he heat his downshifter too. I need new brakes, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I definitely need, go ahead and turn this AC up just a little bit. I definitely need some new brakes. I got a surprise for y'all with the brakes. It shouldn't be hard to realize what I'm talking about if I say I got a surprise with y'all for the brakes. I'm actually in the wrong lane. I do not want to turn left. Fuck. I did not want to. Okay, they first turn green. Ooh, this RAV4 gonna let me go. Let me go, baby. Real smooth. But yeah, I got a surprise for y'all with the brakes. You know, cap. Got a surprise for y'all and shit like that. A surprise. I'm not gonna drag too much because, like I said, I do have an exhaust. I hate when cars do that. Like, you get over and the car in front be stopping. Ooh, that's the feds. That's the feds. I'll go ahead and run that light. Y'all hear that leak? Damn, that shit leaking too much. I'm not gonna lie. It's leaking way too much. Y'all might be able to pick it up on the mic. Yeah, y'all can hear that leak. This motherfucker really, you feel me? This motherfucker really that. Y'all hear what I'm telling you. I love this camera view too. This camera angle like that. Go ahead and tilt my sunroof a little bit. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucking truck just blew me. The nigga throwing hella rock chips on my car. Like, what are you doing, my guy? Shit, why did he just go over there? I'm really confused. But yeah, I'm really just chatting to y'all for no reason, but we gonna get into some serious pulls soon. I don't know if I should hop on a highway or if I should just keep it local for real, keep it on the suburbs. But yeah, y'all seen the most recent video, or one of the most recent videos of my new exhaust. So this is everything from on in for real. That didn't make no sense, but y'all understand what I said. Yeah. I got space over there, y'all. Y'all trying to check for me? Oh, I got some space. Damn, this motherfucker pulling. Sheesh. Motherfucking pulling, boy. Bitch just got up out of that hole, I'm not gonna lie. She feel good, even with an exhaust leak. I felt her wanting to go more.
Nice.
Damn. Bitch screaming. Damn. Traction control. Damn, I thought this motherfucking Grand Prix was gonna go over. Yeah, my exhaust leak. I ain't a flame map though. Yeah, let me go the fuck over here. This car is so fucking fun to drive. But that was a lot of gadgets as y'all can see. What the fuck? That was a fucking Porsche that just did that shit. I wish he was on this side. I would have gave his ass the works. I'm gonna just do a straight pull. I'm not gonna lie. I'm ready to launch hard as fuck. When I launch hard as fuck, my tires still barred from me drifting at that legal pit, but when I launch hard as fuck, this bitch don't catch. Damn! Damn! Feds better not get behind me, man. I'm gonna get the fuck up out of there, man. Mexicana police better not do it. What the fuck is this car doing? This shit is so fun, man. This shit just put a smile on my motherfucking face. Like, when I see how I just walk that bitch out, really just walk that motherfucker. What is this, man? Move, nigga. What? Big ass truck, get the fuck in your lane. But y'all really just walk that motherfucker out. Hella gas, though, I'm not gonna lie. Hella gas. Hella gas, but this bitch, that, I'm not gonna lie. And it's funny because I can still make this bitch faster, bro. Like, I don't even be on it. Like, how y'all think I be dragging. I don't be on it no more, for real. Ever since my car blew up on fire and shit for you niggas, I've been chilling. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see what the hell is down here. That exhaust leak making my car way louder than it needed to be. But yeah, I've been chilling, y'all. I haven't really been on it. I've been trying to fix my fuel issue and shit. I just gotta change my fuel pump. Y'all done seen a few of that, but I didn't really record everything. Still on the process, cause my shit right now, I changed my fuel pump assembly, but the fuel sensor lever is like, it's a whole story for it. But basically, before I got a fuel pump from eBay or whatever, thinking it was gonna work and shit like that, and when I changed it, every time I get to a half tank, it would just eat. Like right now, for example, if I had my other fuel pump in there, it would just eat up crazy, y'all. Like really eat up crazy for no reason. Like, and then I be running out of gas without even knowing how much in my shit. Like, I have like the car would say I have a whole quarter tank, but really I'm on fucking E. Like, I done run out of gas like 3 times for just off not knowing how much gas I have in my car because of the fuel pump. So I changed the fuel pump, but now it's the other issue is I done filled this car up twice and it's not reading a full tank. It's only reading up to 3/4, and it's full. Like, it's saying full and everything. So I might have just had to change a whole new fuel pump again. So I don't know. Then again, I got these fuel pumps from the junkyard because it's better to get an OEM one than to get a, you know, regular aftermarket one. Shout out to my man's Juan for really putting me on to that. These houses low key good size over here. Okay, that's what a lot of you niggas should be doing. Jogging like my man's. Okay, he probably 65, 70 jogging. But yeah, so I'm still working on that. We do got some more upgrades, some more sponsors on the way that I'm not going to tell y'all about until I post a video. But yeah, we got some more sponsors coming up. I'm not going to lie to you. Got about 2 or 3 coming in right now as we speak in the mail. I don't even know where I'm at. Should I turn around? Let me turn around. Walk this bitch out in this residential ass neighborhood. Oh, I wish I could drift this motherfucker. So much fun, y'all. It's just so much fun. But yeah, I don't know what else to talk about for real. So this is coming to an ending of the video. You know, I just wanted to tap in with y'all on some shit real quick, on some quick shit. Y'all will definitely see my install of my exhaust gaskets, fixing that. I had to get exhaust gaskets because I'm gonna just tell y'all why. Because I used the Burke test pipes that they gave me, and I mean, I've heard before that they're cheap and they're gonna get, you know, ran through and shit, but I didn't listen until now. I have a full-blown exhaust leak that I hate. Like, I don't even like shooting flames because, like, the fact that I think that I have or the fact that I know that I have an exhaust leak, like, the flames could be seeping through that exhaust leak and messing up, burning up everything that's literally right here. So yeah. FYI, make sure if you're getting test pipes to, what the fuck is this? Old school motherfucker. Like I said, you guys should be doing this. He probably like 45, 50 running like that. But like I said, if y'all are getting test pipes, make sure you guys get the copper gaskets or the metal gaskets. They say the copper ones is better. Shout out to my man Justin for letting me know about that one. Didn't even know you can get copper. I've only heard about metals. I don't know why people be gatekeeping the copper, or maybe I just didn't know. But yeah, I got 2 copper ones for the exhaust manifold to the test pipes, and I got 2 metal ones for the bottom of the test pipe to the Y pipe, if that makes sense, because it's kind of rare to find the copper ones for the bottom gaskets. But yeah, oh cap, get into it. Got into it. Let's do it. Fuck the ones who don't do it. Fuck we taking shots. Yeah, but that just took a lot of my gas. I might give y'all one more pull and then I'm done before I blow my shit. Oh, that's the Federales. I'd take him on the what? Fat ass Explorer. That bitch will weigh like 6,000 pounds. What y'all want, a 20 roll or a 40 roll? Let me think of it from a viewer's perspective. Probably a 20 roll. Shaking hard as shit. brakes. Yeah, I'm going back to the crib, man. I'm not gonna lie. That's a little. I probably give y'all like 5 hard pulls, some slight shit. You feel me? Y'all can really see how my shit be moving and whatnot. I do want to get dynoed after I do more mods and shit, more performance mods and shit like that. But yeah, more videos on the way. I hope y'all enjoyed. So there's some cool, quick shit. Should be like a 12-minute video, 15 at most. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend. Hit that bell down below. And yeah, we out. Peace. Wait, my fault. Beat the fit check though. You feel me? We just chilling today. I just came out of the house just to go pick up my chain and shit.
We do not care.
Oh, all right, good. Go ahead, get back and dry. Turn that off. Peace.
Thank you. Come again.